Hi, Dawn Ramsden, Warrior Trapped Within. We covered techniques on how to do some cupping at home, how to do some massage cupping. So I've already worked the back area and got some of the gel on the back already. And so now Kris mentioned that his low back was still hurting. So he wants some cupping on the low back area. So with the cups, so after you've done the massage, you've kind of felt through like what areas felt really dense or really resistant when you were leaning in with pressure. Those are going to be really good areas to do with a cup. And so we're going to make sure we get the edge of the cup lubricated with the gel, kind of go around that area so that you can make a nice contact. You're going to squeeze the cup. And remember, when you're just starting out with this, you only want to squeeze about halfway. You don't want to really squeeze all the air out, because the more air you squeeze out of the cup, the more suction it will administer. So we're going to go like a halfway, and then you push down into the body, let go, and that's how you apply the suction. And so now we're going to do a lifting. I'm reaching here and I'm lifting. And if it pops off, that's okay. We're going to go all along the back. And it feels kind of abrupt if you just go one way and stop. So just make it like a circle, like a circling motion, a figure 8. And where you feel those really dense areas, that's where you might want to spend a little more time. I come in with make a V with my 2 fingers and then lift, so that way I can kind of do it two-handed. So see, I've got the V and then lifting this way. And then if your partner has a lot of moles, you're just going to want to work around those. It doesn't really feel too uncomfortable if you just go over them 1 or 2 times. But if you're doing some focused work, you don't want to do too much, because that's not going to feel the greatest. Just come all the way down, go across the top of the glutes there. And we're going to do the other side. Okay, now I might have, especially, you know how in the class with Kris we talked about the diaphragm and how important it is to reset that area. So you can use the cups to work some of those areas for the pain reset that you learned in Kris's class to activate different areas. So, and you notice how the blood flow is increasing, the skin's pinking up. That's what we want to see. Getting all those nutrients to the area. Then it might it's kind of tight and sticky over here, so I'm going to have Kris take a breath in while I'm holding pressure, and exhale. And you just begin to feel that part of the body soften up. So those are a few ways that you can use cupping to help your partner at home.